Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dream and today we are going to try to recreate this very trendy, beautiful one-shoulder ruffle top from this plain boarding t-shirt. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
For making the top one shoulder, we need to remove one side of the sleeve. So you can see my top is a little stretchy material, so I would easily remove my one hand from the neckline. Now to remove this part, take a long scale. Draw a straight line from here so it closes the sleeves and the armhole area. Pin down the side so it doesn't move while closing it down. This is what it should look like. Now for making the ruffles for the top, take a 1 meter fabric, fold it in half and then fold it again like so. From the corner, measure the radius you want. I kept it 7 inches. From that marking, mark the first layer length, mine was 4 inches, and draw a circle and cut it out. You will have a full circle when you open up completely. Cut out a white color strap of 4 inches. Attach the first strap facing right sides together. Pin it down first so it is easy to attach. Close it with a straight stitch and close the end too. Similarly, do it for the last black strap as well. Make sure the length is little bigger. Attach it to the white strap facing right sides together. For hemming the raw edges, double fold it and close it down. I similarly did for the top part as well as the thread of the fabric were coming out. This is what it should look like. With the help of a chalk, mark the corner points. Place the t-shirt inside the ruffle like so. One side will be on the lower area and one on the top. Pin down both, and for the remaining middle fabric, make small pleats and pin it to the top. Do it for the back as well. I literally just hand stitched the ruffle on my top because my machine doesn't provide a zigzag stitch technique. And we are done.
Of this top, especially the ruffle part, because it's looking very pretty and it turned out really great. I think this was one of the easiest transformation I have ever done. I really hope that you enjoyed this transformation, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for lots more fashion transformation, and mainly don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, and until next time, Dream!